Carpenter ant prevention for new home construction starts at the foundation and framing stage to stop structural damage and future infestations. When building, eliminate wood to soil contact by designing continuous concrete or gravel barriers between grade and any wood components, and by specifying a minimum clearance of 6 inches between exposed wood and finished grade where practical. Keep firewood, lumber, mulch, and other cellulose materials at least 20 feet from the foundation, and never store them against exterior walls. Use pressure-treated lumber for all exterior framing that is within close proximity to moisture or soil to slow wood decay and deter nesting, and specify borate wood treatments for all interior structural members in crawl spaces and attics, because borates penetrate and protect wood from within without painting or staining. Reduce moisture by installing proper flashing, gutters, downspouts, and graded drainage that move water at least 5 feet away from the foundation, and by ensuring ventilation and vapor barriers in crawl spaces to avoid persistently damp framing. For active infestations discovered during construction, spot treat galleries with labeled insecticides applied by a licensed applicator, and remove and replace heavily damaged members rather than relying on surface treatments alone. During punch list inspections, include a Carpenter ant checklist that documents clearances, treatment records, flashing details, and moisture control features, so these items are addressed before final occupancy. Common mistakes are assuming treated exterior sheathing alone prevents colonies. If wood sits on soil or in constant moisture, that protection fails, and you should redesign that connection and replace affected members. Another error is allowing landscape mulch and firewood piles to touch the foundation. Move those materials away and create a non-mulched perimeter of at least 2 feet with stone or hardscape that discourages foraging. A third issue is ignoring early damp signs such as stained or soft sill plates and persistent condensation. Correct drainage and ventilation immediately and treat or replace compromised wood, because delaying leads to deep galleries that require larger structural repairs. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who regularly work on moisture control, pest prevention, and treated lumber installation, so we can connect you with professionals who understand Carpenter ant risks. We also help contractors find project leads and join our discussion community where we all share field tips, product experiences, and installation details.